Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Which is the most common fruit that you can find in every household? Yes, it's banana. Bananas are not only the easiest fruit to eat, but it's also the tastiest one. Packed with fiber and potassium, I think everybody likes to eat bright yellow bananas. But most of us start avoiding them when they start to ripen. Usually the overripe bananas are either given to animals or they are thrown away in the trash. But I have something very yummy for you. So here is a recipe which is very easy to try and which will help you use your ripe bananas in a delicious way. So rather than throwing them in the trash, bring them to your kitchen counter and let's start baking. So today we are baking banana and white chocolate muffins. So to start with, first of all, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, that is 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then line your 12 cavity muffin tray with muffin liners. Now if you don't have muffin liners at home, you can grease the cavities directly with the butter or oil and then you can put the batter into that. Now talking about bananas, what happens at my place is when there are no bananas at home, kids are continuously asking why there are no bananas. They are always eager to have bananas when there are no bananas at home. And as soon as the bananas come, no one is going to touch them. And then they go unnoticed and then they say that these bananas are not good enough to eat. Is this really happening everywhere or is this the story of my house only? Do let me know in the comment section below. Now for our dry ingredients, in a big bowl I am adding all-purpose flour. The quantity is written on the screen and it is there also in the description box. You can use whole wheat flour also over here if you want. Now into this I'm going to add light brown sugar. Then some normal sugar. And this is baking powder, baking soda, some salt. That's it. And now I'm just going to mix everything together just to make sure that the baking powder and the baking soda is properly mixed with the flour. There are so many things that you can bake with bananas. It can be eggless, it can be with eggs, it can be with whole wheat flour, it can be so many things. So I was planning to make a banana bread today, but there was some white chocolate lying, so I thought I should go for something with bananas and white chocolate. So our dry material is now ready and now I'm going towards my overripe bananas. Now these are 3 mashed bananas. Into this I'm going to add 2 eggs. Now you can simply mash the banana with the help of the fork and it's okay if it's not properly mashed. Few of the chunks here and there is okay. Now this is some vegetable oil. I am using canola here. Now one tip here, if you want to use butter, you can use half cup of butter instead of oil. Here goes the vanilla extract. And now I'm going to beat everything together. So this makes our wet ingredients. So you might be thinking the color of the bananas is quite dark. That is because I kept these bananas in freezer and these are frozen bananas, and when you take out the frozen bananas and keep out on the kitchen counter for thawing, the color changes somehow. So otherwise, believe me, the overripe bananas make really very good muffins or cake. So just give it a quick mix. These are very easy muffins. It is a kind of quick bread, and whenever you make a quick bread kind of cakes and muffins, it hardly takes time. So now I'm going to mix my dry and wet ingredients. So I'll just make a well in the center of my dry ingredients, and here goes the wet ingredients. And now into this I'm going to add my white chocolate. Now this is a mix of some white chocolate chips and some white chocolate chunks. So this is all lockdown effect. Everything is coming to an end now. The ingredients are totally vanishing from my baking cabinet. So this was the last white chocolate that I was having. So just give it a quick mix. You just have to mix it until all the dry ingredients are wet. That's it. No over mixing here. Otherwise the banana muffins will go tough. They'll be harder. They'll not be soft. I think it's done now. So now I'm going to take my muffin tray, and now is the time to fill the muffin cups. So I'll be using 2 spoons. You can also use your ice cream scoop. The scoop that I'm having is not good enough. I bought it from Home Center? No. Hometown. Yes. I bought it from Hometown, but I didn't like it. I don't use it often. So fill 3/4 of your muffin liners with the batter. If you don't have white chocolate at home, just be creative. You can also add your regular chocolate. You can add some dairy milk. You can add 5-star. Otherwise 5-star gets really burnt easily. So you can take any chocolate that you have at home if you don't have white chocolate. You know, lockdown has made all of us so creative. We are trying to use whatever we have in our kitchen and making a lot of wonderful recipes out of those things. And I'm really feeling very happy looking at all the pictures that I'm getting from people who are trying my recipes and sending me all the love and comment. Thank you so much, guys. We are soon going to be a family of 5,000 and I can't thank you enough. This is all because of the love of you. I know it's not a big number, but for me it's really a big number. So just waiting to be there and need all your blessings in love with me forever. So now the muffin liners have been filled, but let me just see. There are some which are less and there are some which are too much filled. Is there anyone else who is a clumsy baker? Sometimes I think I am the one who is clumsy. Okay, so now the muffin liners have been filled. It will go to the oven and I'm going to bake this for about 25 to 30 minutes. So our banana white chocolate muffins are now done. You can see the beautiful golden brown color on it, and the toothpick inserted in the center has also come out clean. They have risen so nicely. So let them cool for about 10 to 15 minutes and then we'll come back and taste one. So it's been 10 minutes. Let us check one of the muffins. Oh, they are so soft. The crust is golden and the inside it's really very soft. Let me have a bite. This is delicious banana muffin, moist and sweet, with a lovely golden brown crust. They can be covered and they can be stored at room temperature for few days, just 2-3 days, and you can keep them in an airtight container, and you can keep them in the fridge, and you can even freeze them. So I hope you like this recipe. If you like it, do try it, and if you try it, do not forget to share the pictures with me on my Instagram handle Dipali Khannauri, and do not forget to share this with your family and friends. So until we meet again, stay safe and take care.